Hello. Welcome inside. This is our Airbnb guest house. I'm back with another house tour. This one is pretty good. We're in Atlanta this evening to see a concert, Remi Wolf, and I got this little Airbnb, and it's very cute. And let me show you around. It has mosquitoes. This is our linen closet. Our desk. In case we have any schoolwork to do, which we have a little bit of schoolwork to do, so that's good. We have these really cute bamboo window, and then we have some forest outside. The bed. Frigidaire appliance. Yellowstone. We're not in Yellowstone, by the way, guys. This really nice rug. Moving in to the kitchen, the kitchenette area is very cute. We have a little step up. Bathroom, kitchenette. I really like these little light fixtures. Our very own mini fridge, toaster oven, microwave, and Brita. And of course they set us up with banana, orange, apple, microwave popcorn, K-cups. You know, the classics. And in the fridge we have 2 eggs, some whipped cream for me and Olivia later, some milk, some more milk, some creamer, some mixed together PB&J, some Dixie Crystal sugar, and to top it all off, pumpkin cake roll ice cream and a Jolly Rancher bomb pop. Yeah, and I cannot wait to munch on that later, but I don't want to get charged for it, so I don't know. Please keep mini refrigerators setting at 6 or 7 to maintain its freezing function. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna close this. I'm just not really digging it. Let me show you guys into the bathroom. Ooh. Lots of cool stuff down here. They have some extra razors, extra toilet paper. I really like this bathroom. It's really cozy, and we basically just have like toilet, wash hands, get in the shower, and a bench if you need that. And the rug's nice. This is my favorite part of the shower. I've never used a shower like this, and I feel like it will, I don't know what it's gonna do to me, but I could just stand like this. Now we're probably gonna show you guys some Remi Wolf. Stay tuned for that.